Again, thank you for subscribing. Hope you're enjoying your subscription so far. Well, we're only at week 1, but who knows, maybe this is the second project that you have made. Here we have the Meso Gregorias Santa Explosion gift box. And yeah, I prepared the lid, but don't worry, I will show you how to make that one. What was that? Oh, that was my charger. And then I have the cutouts here, the Santa, and everything. And yeah. Okay, so let's start with the panel. I prepared one too, so to keep the tutorials short. So we have a panel here for the Santa, which I fold the score line first, as you can see. Let me try if I can zoom out a bit more. There you go. That's the max it is. There, you see the score line here. That can't really see it, but if you look, oh, there it is. But if you look at your template, you will see you have a score line of the Santa head. Turn it around and then place the red panels, interior panels, which you have to cut 4 times, my friends. Here. I'm using a glue stick, but sometimes glue stick doesn't really attach very well. So let me try it again. I've tried the other panels, but it didn't really attach very well, and then I had to attach it with glue anyways, which is a bit annoying. So make sure to apply glue on the edges. There you go. Turn it around and attach them from the top. And then you will see at the bottom there will be some space, but that's okay. It's supposed to be like that. Yeah? So attach it on the top. Here. Press. Make sure it's attached properly. There you go. And then you will have 2 of those. Same with Santa, you have to cut it twice. 2 of those without the flaps. And then you have 2 with flaps, side flaps, okay? And I will show you why you need those later in the tutorial. And as you can see, I prepared one too, but don't worry, I will show you that as well. Okay, now we're going to prepare the bottom, the foundation, which you have this, the triangle thingy, and then one with just squares, flaps on the side. Fold the score lines, or fold the flaps. This will be the bottom. This is the foundation. And then you also have this with no flaps. Yeah? And this will be the same as the lid. It has these triangles here. Same as the lid. Fold the flaps. Fold the flaps and score lines. Here you go. And this will be the top. Of the foundation. So I think for this, instead of using this, I'm afraid it won't attach properly, and then that would take so much longer. I will apply glue on those triangle things and insert it at the back and attach. This is almost the same as for the lid, but make sure you have them separately. You know which one the lid is and which one the foundation, because I think that the lid is bigger, a bit bigger than the foundation, or else it won't, well, it won't fit. I won't be able to close it. But the construction or assembling of the lid and the the top of the foundation is the same. Apply glue and keep attaching those flaps at the back. Press. There you go. And here as well. Got 2 left. This is 1. I tried to apply glue as for this one because I really wanted to dry fast. I'm not applying a thick layer of glue. It's just, and therefore I'm using the bamboo skewer as to function as a knife, and then really spread it out and make it thinner. There you go. And attach. And voila. That's the top. This is the bottom. Okay? This has no triangle things. What we're gonna do here is this. And apply glue. The side panels or flaps will function as flaps. I'm just gonna do 1 first because if I do 2 or 3, I'm afraid the glue will dry out. Attach it on the inside and make sure that the attaches on top of the score line. There you go. And once it's in position, make sure to press there, and do that for the remaining 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh, this battery dies really fast. I really have to change the battery, and there were two stripes just now. Nice. I do not want to replace them yet because, well, you know, it's just, they're still functioning. It's just a bit annoying because they die really fast. But maybe until... Oh, I've done it wrong. Oh my... See? Talking and pain. Ay, ay, ay. It's okay. I accidentally applied glue here instead of these flaps. But that's okay. Just let that dry. That won't be visible. So don't do what I'm doing, guys. Pay attention. My goodness. This is the second one I make. And yeah. And then this happens. So dumb. That's a bit dumb. That happens when you're not paying attention. I was just applying glue and looking at the screen and the bar. So if it accidentally ends, if it just disappears, just a short transition, keep watching. It's not you, it's me. I'll be changing the battery, but until the end of it. So apply glue here, insert, and also by the time that I come back, this will be finished. Okay, so just finish yours, and exactly as the way I am doing, as I said, I mean, or explained, or showed you. Insert it there. There you go. So welcome back. I have attached mine, and to make sure that it's straight, place it on a straight platform or foundation and just press it that way. And that's the foundation. And that's also the same way as you apply the lid, or attach or assemble the lid. Now here we go. Let's do the Santa first before we attach the panels. I've only cut out one Santa, so I will cut it, and let's do the Merry Christmas first, actually. I forgot I had to cut those 2 times. So let's do the Merry Christmas first. So we have a white panel and a red one that goes on top of it. And I hope you, this is also why I want to mention that you have to watch the tutorial first before making it, because you have, when cutting out, you have to save the small pieces from the cutouts, which I did, but I can't remember where they are, to be honest. I think they're there somewhere. Have a look. Let me attach this first. And also here's a cutout. And attach like this. And make sure you have wet wipes or a wet towel. You can clean your fingers to keep your work clean. So you don't always have to peel it off and your skin doesn't come off as well for those who have sensitive skin or thin skin. So yeah. And then we have the Merry Christmas that goes on top of it. And this one I will use. Oops. Glue stick. And attach it on top. There. Now, I believe I have those here. There. I've also saved all the green hearts, and maybe it's not for them. I'm not sure anymore. No, this is for this one. Yep, it is. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, see, I saved the cutouts. And I'm just gonna apply those here. This can be very fiddly. So make sure that you have saved it. If you don't know, if you can't remember where, just open your design space or studio or whatever you are using, and so you can have a look. Maybe it's hard to see, but let me try to zoom in again. Oh, this is max. And this is why I did mention to watch a tutorial first before cutting, or whilst cutting, maybe even better, so you can save you time and maybe not accidentally throw away all those cutouts. They are very tiny. Here is the A. Top of there, and then I need one more for the R here. And there it is. So I'm using this half plastic refillable crystal bowl ornament. That's a mouthful. Clear plastic refillable bowl ornaments. And there you go. You have that. Now you have these cutouts. I just know where I have the green from. That I don't get, actually, to be honest. I can't remember where the green is from. Why is there green cutouts? I think it's from something else, yeah. It's from a different kind of... I did save the red heart outs. Don't mind the green. The green is a different design, guys. Different design. I collected them here. Different design. The red is just for this. So instead of... gonna put it aside. So there you go. I did save the heart cutouts, which you can, if you want, attach here, anywhere, and save it. I'll have a look. Okay, so that's that. That's the two of these. For the panels with the flaps on the side, there you go. And then, as I mentioned, I only cut one of the Santa, which I will, I'll show you one, and the second one I'll do it offline, off camera, I mean, before I take pictures. So let's do that. We have the Santa's head here. Before you apply glue, make sure it fits. First, you have the right angle, then apply glue. There. There you go. And then we have this one. That goes on top of that. Apply glue as well. If necessary, clean your desk. Glue that's for my desk. Tutorial desk is very dirty. If you don't want yours to get dirty, you can always use kitchen foil or something else, a paper, or you can use anything. I have this toilet. I don't want mine getting dirty at all. As you can see, it's not dirty, okay? It's just full with stains of painting, stamps, glue gun. It's not like it's dirty. It's just glue and paint and paint. A lot of paint. Mostly for the flowers. So if you're new and you're like, what's this? So make flowers if you didn't, in case you didn't know yet. And we have this cutouts. Save all the cutouts. And insert them again. So why is there a cutout when you have to apply it? Just, it's fine. Just do it. Now we have the beard. That's one. You attach it on top. Precisely there. Try to fix, not precisely, somewhat. There. Okay. And the position, once you have it, you can, it's for dimensions, guys. Dimension. It's for having, make sure you have relief and dimension and depth and not just flat. There, that's the beard, I mean. Here you have the mustache, which It'll go over it. You see here the cutouts, right? It will go over that. So, wait, maybe it is too high. Need to do this a bit lower. Make sure it fits. Oh, I need to sneeze. Thank you. There. Okay, that's better. Actually, it was good. I didn't have to change it. Just make sure you have the relief. And then you, what the thing is, important thing is that you move the beard, the mustache, and not have a lot of, see, to make it the right angle, you have to move it. There. Did you see me move it? So it fits. And same goes for this one. There. There you go. Hard to see, white on white on white. Now I'm gonna do the thing first. And the Christmas hat. I do position it. Glue. Oh, oh, oh. There. I'm gonna, oh, I accidentally threw it in there. So you also can see, maybe you can see, I'm not blonde anymore. Oh. Just getting new wet wipes to clean my fingers. There. So it's really sticky. And then the last bit, we have this. So to check where this goes, and that goes. Is that correct? Oh. There. And that hat goes here. If you have like skin color, you can excuse me, let me take a sip. There's something in my throat. There. If you have skin color paper you want, you can use that. You can use brown, whatever you want. You can use there. Okay, and now the hearts, you can either use it here or use two. Oh. And do it there if you want. On top. See? So you don't have to throw anything away. You may. This is an option, okay? If you don't want to use the hearts cutouts, then don't. That's fine too. There. So that's one. You may have to make two, because there are 2 flaps, which I will do off camera. There. And then you have the cutouts of the ribbon, and I just don't know where to use that for because there's only one though. But you can do it in the inside if you want. So we have the lid. For the lid, I'm just going to apply glue at the corner here and the side. Not too much because I don't want the glue to be visible. As you can see, we have the cutouts here, so be careful that you don't see it too much. Okay. Gonna measure how many glue you need, or the corner is fine. This side won't need a lot. Sit down, insert. Oh, move. Also, this panel is smaller than almost. So it fits. There you go. Cleaning my bamboo skewer. Press. And if you want, you can even just attach this in the inside. Let's see. Or you can save it for something else if you want. So it's the top goes towards you, so it goes here. Somewhere in the middle. Somewhere in the middle. Oh, very messy. Glue, glue, glue. Is it straight? Can I have a look? Yeah, that's fine. There. And that's the lid. Now we're gonna assemble the box. Well, we need the foundation. Oh, see with the glue. Let me try that again. That's one. Press, press, press. That's 2. Press. Don't press too hard or you make a dent. There. And that's the bottom. Okay, we're reading and that's the bottom. Now, the thing is, keeps opening. This is the top, and where we applied glue just now, that's the bottom. And we have to, so if this is the top, bottom, attach a flap and it will go open like that, okay? Right? Okay, get it? This is again the foundation, the bottom of the foundation, the bottom. I did turn it around again. Having the foundation, the bottom. Having it upside down, it's upside down. I'm gonna apply glue here in the flap. And there. Touch it. Press, secure. Make sure they're aligned here, okay? go. That's one. And then we have the Merry Christmas. Okay, let me zoom out now. It's getting bigger. Hold on, please. Sorry, guys. Ay! It's okay, actually, if you... Let's move on there, because that is the foundation anyways. So everything is upside down now, except for the panels. So... Touch that. Check if it's fits. Oh, across the panels here on the side. If you can close it, if it doesn't, if you can't, it means you have to move it aside a bit. Because you should be able to embrace the panels, right? Wrap the panels, you should be able to wrap the panels around it. If it doesn't mean you have to move it a bit. There. That's better. There we go. Press. And in case, just in case, make sure to apply more glue. And then applying this on the other side here. On the opposite side. There. Turn it around. Don't press it yet. Position it. Turn it around and see if it fits. There. And press. And then the last one, this is for the Santa, which I have to cut out, remember? That's the last one. Turning it around, applying glue where the panels are, the red panels, there, and turn it around, and attach. Position it, oh. See if it's like, there you go, and press. Now, there are two things that you could do. Okay, let's finish this first. So, oh, once it's in position, make sure to press, and then we have the other foundation here at the bottom. And again, I'm gonna use my, because this one dries faster, to cover it up. All those panels. It's not a pretty sight to see, right? And there. And then you can use this as a explosion box or gift box. When using an explosion box, well, this is it. But when you want to make a gift box, then you have to apply glue on the side panels here, here, and here, and attach those to these panels. So then you have to, do you see with the Merry Christmas signs, they have side panels. If you apply glue there and attach it on the Santa, on the panels with the Santa on it, then you can create a gift box. How cute is that? So very versatile. Well, there are only two options, so it's not that versatile perhaps, but at least you have two options. You can make a explosion box or a gift box, right? Awesome. Cute, huh? Fun. And then if you have, you know, you can always reuse it. I mean, if it's not Christmas, then you just, well, actually, you can't because there are cutouts. So we have now one for Mother's Day. There you go. I think I'll do one for, or was it for Valentine? I'm not sure. I do one for Valentine as well. So this is exactly what I mean. You apply flaps, apply glue here if you want to make a gift box, and then attach those panels on the side. See? There. This side is a bit longer, but don't worry, that's okay. And then you do the same on the other side. Make sure that when you're closing it, that the flaps at the bottom are straight, okay? If it's not straight, it's because we applied it too high. Close it. Fold it. Fold the flaps at the bottom. Help the templates at the bottom. This flaps. So fold them. There you go. Hold it. And attach to it. Now before you close it, obviously, you will have to already have your gift. And then to pull it out, push it out, you can just put your fingers in between and then pull it back a bit. When it's, for example here, you see this? And voila. Put it a bit back. That's the explosion box. Yay! There you go. The Santa, you can't see, it's too bright. I have to do it a bit there and there. And also because it's not. So I have this here. Look. Pull it out. So you can do an explosion box, gift box, whatever you would like to do. So I hope you had fun making this one. I still have to attach one, and then I will take a picture of it, or maybe a video, not sure, we'll see. So thank you again for ordering the Miss Gregoria Santa explosion box or gift box, and explosion box, gift box. Hope you had fun. Looking forward to seeing your creations in our Facebook group. If you're new or not member yet, please consider joining us there. You may share your creations for the monthly freebie or just for fun. We will also have a Christmas challenge if you're in time for November and December. If you would like to more know about that, click on the featured tab and you will see. Once you have joined, you can click on the featured tab and scroll down to find about more information about the November and December challenge. If you're gonna post this on Instagram, please make sure to tag us and you will have a chance to get featured. Thank you very much. Follow my Instagram, follow my Facebook page, follow my Facebook group, subscribe here to my YouTube channel, and follow my YouTube channel as well. Follow me on Etsy, and if once you're there, please consider leaving a review. I really would appreciate that very much. Only 5 stars, if not 5 stars, it's okay. It's okay. Just move on. Thank you very much. The reason why I said that is I also offer flowers. And last time, like just earlier this week, I had a lady. And when I look at, she gave me 1 star. I look at her profile and she only had seeds, flower seeds, favorited. So she actually thought that one of my flower template was a flower seeds which she bought, which is in this case a compliment towards me. But I don't think that was fair because she obviously did not read the item description. Okay, these are templates, so always make sure to read the item descriptions of each seller that you're looking at. on Etsy. And also one time I had this Venus plant was taken out by Etsy because they said I wasn't allowed to sell it because it's endangered species. And then I was like, excuse me, but you guys did not read the description. This is a template. This is for paper flowers. They are not real. So yeah, but so if that case, I found she gave me 1 star, that lady, because she thought it was seeds. But she didn't read it. That's kind of mean, right? It's compliments for me, but then I got 1 star. I'm like, what the heck? Oh well. Some people are just like that. So make sure to always read the item descriptions. I know no one likes reading, but to prevent from disappointments and etc., misunderstandings, always read, because different shops have different policies. Okay? So again, thank you very much. Have fun. Looking forward to seeing our Facebook group. And a Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. Have a, how do you say that? Joyful Christmas? Is that correct? Not sure though. Merry, have a Merry Christmas. Duh. And a Happy New Year. Bye. See you next time.